At Ferodo, we test our parts again and again to OE standards, beyond R90 specifications, to ensure all the required criteria are met. As an OE manufacturer, Ferodo is therefore informed very rapidly of any changes in production specifications, ensuring that we always supply the latest pad designs for the concerned vehicles.
The specifications for brake pads are defined by the vehicle and the OE brake system manufacturers in cooperation with the friction manufacturer. We use the latest digital modeling and analysis techniques to deliver high-quality vehicle pads. Our pad designs include all the key elements that make a good brake pad: chamfers, grooves, accessories, and even more importantly, the precise dimensions and tolerances.
A friction material formulation is a mix of raw materials and chemicals that act as fillers, friction modifiers such as lubricants and abrasives, and binders. Friction formulae usually require 20 or more ingredients. Researching and developing friction material formulations poses several challenges. A brake pad's friction material needs to deliver the required stopping power and friction under every circumstance that drivers will face. Pads need to perform just as well when stopping a vehicle traveling at 20 km per hour in cold conditions as when it's traveling at high speed in hot conditions. Finding the optimum mix of chemicals and raw materials is a complex process that requires expertise, experience, a data-driven approach, and knowledge of legislation. Ferodo is always working on new products. Our highly confidential proprietary formulations are developed through constant research to stay ahead of the curve. All Ferodo brake pads are R90 certified. However, Ferodo products are designed to exceed much harsher requirements in line with what is defined by the OEM, where the R90 specification sets minimum requirements for 3 parameters: pressure sensitivity, speed sensitivity, and light fade. Our internal quality processes require our parts to pass stringent tests for 6 other parameters that are key to braking performance.
Well, one point someone made recently is that everybody does R90 because R90 is minimum that people have got to meet in order to release a product and get the specification. In terms of physical testing, in terms of dyno testing, in terms of vehicle testing, at all levels, we do far more than just the R90 requirements.
Our latest innovation, Fuse Plus technology pad formulation, bridges the gap between performance-oriented materials, mostly used in Europe, and comfort-oriented materials, typically used in American and Asian markets. This breakthrough product is the result of very clever engineering in over a century of experience in the development of brake pads. Many other innovations are currently being developed to accompany the recent boom in hybrid and electric vehicles. These include better performing brakes for the heavier electric and hybrid vehicles, quieter braking for quieter electric vehicles, lighter braking systems that require smaller upgraded friction material that performs just as well as legacy materials, long-life braking systems that accompany regenerative and electric engine braking. Beyond this, our innovation team is perpetually improving existing products to provide increased comfort, increased performance, lower dust, lower emissions, reduced stiction, and better rust protection.